Little Gem Magnolia, a cultivar of Magnolia grandiflora, is a great option for those more restricted spaces or smaller landscapes where the traditional southern magnolia would be far too large. This cultivar normally reaches a height of only 15 to 20 feet with a spread of 10 to 15 feet. As such, it can fit quite nicely somewhat closer to the home or as part of a border planting along a fence or property line. Little Gem is fairly tolerant of a wide range of soils, but it does prefer a slightly acid organic soil with moderate soil moisture. It works well in a semi-shaded to mostly sunny site
and is hardy from USDA zones 7 through 9.
with a minimum of 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The flowers are large, creamy white, and quite fragrant. Foliage is evergreen, leathery, and deep green on the upper surface with a golden brown pubescence on the underside.